Hello, this video explains how to control a Festo CMMP drive via the FCT tool from Festo and also on the Siemens S7 TIA Portal side with a watch table. Oh, welcome back. This is Gerd Zeller from Zeller Presscontrol Systems, and off we go. Well, in order to operate the drive from the FCT tool, we need to have this check mark checked right here in this tab where it says operate. So check this, make the enable right here, and now we can already see the drive is enabled. And then if we move over to the tab manual move, we can see that we are able to jog the drive with this forward button and the reverse button, and you can also see the motor moving already. And this one here, the single step, is right now is grayed out. This is because we do not have the homing position valid. In order to set the home position, we move over to the watch table in the S7 side and give this one a high signal. And if we set this high signal, we should see the homing not being, in order to activate the watch table, the drive cannot be operated from the FCT tool, so I need to switch this off, and then we are enable, and now I have to do this whole thing again here. I set this start homing again, and then we will see that the home position is being switched on right here in this section, and we are able to operate the drive in manual mode from the FCT tool, which we have to check again and give it an enable. And now we can see this is not grayed out anymore, and we are able to move it by one increment, which you can see right in this section here. Now we move it by one increment, which is one revolution in this case, because the drive is set up to modular mode, doing one revolution at a time. So this is how to control the drive from the FCT tool. And if we move over to the TIA Portal side, don't forget to switch off the control in the FCT side, and then go over to the Siemens side. I just switch this homing off, and now we can see our setup right here. Here you can see the drive control, and we need the set value position in order to go to the right position, and therefore we switch over to this tab in the FCT which says FHPP monitor selection, and change this operation mode to position mode, which is done up here in the position mode, and we need a 1 in there, and this you can find in the according documentation. And we should be able to, where's the actual position right now? The actual position is 0, and we should be able to move it to, for instance, set value position 90.1 degree. And there you can see the motor is moving, and we get the feedback from the drive where it says the actual position in actual degree in 10th increments. So if I do this again and move by 190 degree almost, because we make the shortest distance, This is also a setup that I show you in another video. And if I do the start right now, we will see the motor moving by exactly half a revolution, minus this 2/10 of a revolution. And this is how you can control the positioning. And there is also another way to control the drive. And this I can show you once the position is reached, which is happening right now. We got the 266.9 degree. I actually wanted to move it to 269.9 degree, which I can just do here, and off we go. Exactly now we are at 269. Another way to move the motor via the watch table or controlled from the Siemens side is to set up a record table. And this record table you can see on here. How exactly this is set up, I will also show you in another video. And here you can see two records, and you need to be careful. This is not in degree, this is in revolutions of the motor itself. And here you can see I have 50 million revolutions, which is just made up for a production. And here it is, for example, 0.9 revolution. And I can see this on this manual mode. Actually, right now we are at 0.75. And if I switch the operation mode over to the record table selection, it will change in the FHPP monitoring record selection. You can see this here. And if I now start the drive and switch over to the manual mode, we can see it will move to 0.9 revolutions. There it is. And this is how you can manually move the drive from Festo, the CMMP drive from Festo, using the FCT tool and also the watch table from the Siemens TIA Portal site. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.